Today is Groundhog Day. State fire officials are reminding residents about checking those smoke and carbon monoxide alarms.
22 News reporter Areta Odaya joins us live in studio to share the best tips to ensure your safety.
That's right. Punxsutawney Phil did see his shadow, which means, according to the legend, 6 more weeks of winter are unfortunately on the way. With this in mind, the Massachusetts Department of Fire Services reminding residents once again that working smoke and carbon monoxide alarms can be the difference between life or death. Fires at homes tend to increase in colder weather. Western Mass seeing multiple residential fires just this season. It is recommended to have smoke and carbon monoxide alarms on every level of your home, officially testing them once a month. But after 10 years, it's time for new ones. Modern ones are a great option.
People are spending more time indoors. That means more cooking, more heating, more electronic devices being charged, fewer people stepping outside to smoke because it's so cold out there. Want to remind folks that home heating equipment is the leading source of carbon monoxide at home, and it's the second leading cause of fires.
But be careful, as snow and ice can increase the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. So if vents, flues, and pipes aren't cleaned off at home, it could lead to trouble. Also checking on your friends, family, and coworkers 65 and older. They're at the greatest risk of death or injury in a fire, and they can call their local fire department if assistance is needed with alarms. Working for you, Areta Odaya, 22 News.